I'm gonna show you how to add a banner art to your channel. So you go to YouTube and go to my channel, and then you go over here to the right and hit the edit and go edit channel art. Once you hit the channel art, you can select the file and go to your folder and get the one you want. And I did this on purpose. You notice that it says the photo uploaded is too small, and it gives you the size that you need. And look down there to the bottom, it gives you the recommended size. So this is a problem I encountered. So I'm gonna show you what I did. I'm gonna go to the folder, I'm gonna right click, and I'm gonna edit this picture. So once I go to edit, I'm gonna go to resize, then click on the pixels, and I'm gonna change it to that number there, 2560. That is what they recommend. And it automatically adjusts your vertical. And then I hit OK. I'm gonna zoom it down smaller. So I'm gonna go to File, Save As, and I'm gonna rename this file. I'm gonna just go behind it. I'm gonna just type large. So now you notice that I got two of them in there. So I'm gonna upload that photo again. I'm gonna upload this one, the large one. Now it fits to size. So you can see all the different views. So I'm gonna go and to edit to give me a quick view. I notice right in the center is where the desktop and the phone view looks like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to edit on this large view. And I'm gonna just zoom down, and I'm gonna go to the paste. And I'm gonna paste from the folder. I'm gonna just put the dice. This is just an example, and you can change everything you want. So you can move it where you want to. You notice that I was moving it right in the middle. This is gonna be where to show up on your desktop and your phone. So I'm gonna copy and paste that, and I'm gonna do it 3 times. I'm gonna just move it in place. And you can put anything you want. You could decorate this however you want. And this is doing this without any software. So now I'm gonna go to File. I'm gonna save it as. And right at the end, I'm gonna just add a name. I'm gonna just put with dice. Hit save. So now I'm gonna go back to my YouTube and my banner. I'm gonna go to edit channel art. I'm gonna select a photo from the computer, and you notice I'm gonna pick this one that I edited with dice. So now I want to adjust the crop so you can move it and make adjustments how you want. And you can edit these photos however you want. You can do whatever you want to with it. You just got to play around with it and see what works for you. You notice I'm just doing some adjustments, and I'm just doing this just to show you what it would look like once we finish. Instead of downloading this software and going to these other websites, you can do this right on your computer and save yourself some money. Okay, I'm just showing you how the adjustments, and it's just a simple adjustment. And I'm gonna hit device preview. So this is what it would look on your TV, and then you got the look on your desktop right there and your mobile device. So I'm gonna hit select, and there you go. That's what it looks like. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you. So that's what it looked like. So you can put your name and everything. Have a great day. Thank you.